Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. I'm really excited to unbox this one because let me tell you a few things about this car. So first of all, this is a Rimac Nevera, and so this car set 23 world records just speed records in one day, and I think it's in Nürburgring track if I'm not wrong. And this is the world's fastest electric hypercar, and this cost like $2.1 million, and it does 0 to 400 in like 29.3 or 4 seconds. It's under 30 seconds. So, and 0 to 400 kilometers per hour and back to 0 within that 30 seconds. Wow. And it has like 12 horsepower if I'm not wrong. So I don't know if I won't be able to get the actual Rimac, so I just bought this one. So I know this is from a older case, but this one is one of the best cars, and to be very honest, I'm really excited to open this one even more than the Bugatti Bullet or any other car in that aspect. Okay, let's open and see how this casting looks. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions, the casting looks nice. The paint job is good. It is not the best paint job, I can say. Honestly, man, this car in real life looks really beautiful. I never saw it with my own eyes, but I follow this YouTuber. His name is Marcus Brownlee. So he does reviews of all these cars, and also he did a really great job on that one. So this car looks really phenomenal in real life. I wish they did something which is closer to what they did to Bugatti or the custom Camaro in this case. Still, this casting looks really nice. I am not complaining about that, but at least they could have added some kind of paint job, and instead of being white, they could have added some kind of what you can say, like orange or red kind of paint job. I don't know, the official one comes with all those colors. Here is the Rimac logo as well. This looks really nice. So the funny thing is, Rimac has been bought by Bugatti. So it is not an independent company now. So it's under, this particular beast is under Bugatti's control now. And I really love the fact they actually added the rear view mirrors here. Okay, the spoiler is actually metal. So let's do a roll test now. No. It is really bad. I was very excited to unbox this one and roll this one, but the wheels are too wobbly, and it is a bit heavy while rolling, and it is not even fast. But personally, for me, I'm not going to play with this, so I'm just going to keep it in my showcase. And this one looks really, really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it will be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.